ahora si tú tienes lo que de verdad yo quiero. Tírame ahí un bajo fuerte.
Welcome back to the Zen Tranquility Soul podcast. Today's topic. Destiny swapping typically refers to a concept where two or more individuals swap lives, experiences, or destinies, often in a fictional or hypothetical context. This can involve swapping physical bodies, exchanging life experiences, trading skills or knowledge, changing circumstances. The idea is often explored in stories, films, and TV shows, allowing characters to see life from different perspectives. Specifically in New Orleans, in the context of New Orleans, destiny swapping could be explored through various themes, such as cultural exchange, swapping lives between different cultural backgrounds, like Creole, African American, or Cajun. Historical perspectives, swapping lives between different time periods, like antebellum and modern-day NOLA. Mardi Gras experiences, swapping roles between participants and observers or different crew members.
In upcoming podcast we will deep dive destiny swapping. There is a couple of stories that I have read and would like to discuss with our YouTube community. For instance, a tourist swaps lives with a local jazz musician. A street performer swaps lives with a high society figure during Mardi Gras. A historical figure swaps lives with a modern-day New Orleanian. Who engages in destiny swapping? Destiny swapping isn't a mainstream practice, but it attracts a varied group, each driven by distinct motivations. Spiritual abusers of occult knowledge. These are individuals who misuse esoteric practices for personal gain, exploiting spiritual and occult tools in ways that corrupt their true purposes. They manipulate and deceive others, twisting genuine spiritual exploration into a tool for their own agendas. Religious deceivers in disguise, people who masquerade as devoutly religious, yet secretly employ forms of witchcraft or manipulative spiritual practices under the guise of divine blessing. These practitioners distort the perceptions of their followers, often leading them astray under the pretense of religious or spiritual guidance.
Desperate change seekers, those at their wits' end, for whom conventional solutions have failed, turning to more mystical or supernatural avenues as a last resort for transformation or escape from their current predicaments. Life throws obstacles our way, but it's how we respond that defines us. Building resilience can turn those tough moments into stepping stones instead of stumbling blocks. Every achievement is a moment worth celebrating. Whether big or small, recognizing our efforts reinforces our journey and propels us to keep reaching for our dreams.
Welcome back to Zen Tranquility Soul Studio. This new podcast episode is called Fated Exchanges, the Destiny Swap episode.
Yes, welcome back, YouTube family. Today, I picked a doozy. Destiny swapping, right? Imagine, one moment you're, say, an accountant crunching numbers, dreading tax season, and the next, bam, you're a world-renowned chef, about to open your third Michelin star restaurant. Or, you're that world-renowned chef stressed out of your mind, working 18-hour days, and bam, you're an accountant with a 9-to-5, finally able to see your family on weekends. The grass isn't always greener.
Liam, but the possibility. Think of it. Not just swapping jobs, Chloe, but swapping your entire destiny. Your skills, your relationships, your memories of that life, your future trajectory. Everything changes. Okay, let's break this down. How would this even work? Is it magic? A freak cosmic event? Advanced, slightly terrifying technology? Right. Liam? For the sake of argument, let's say it's a choice. Maybe you find a dusty old book, or a mysterious online forum, or a peculiar individual offers you a one-time chance. Swap your destiny with someone else. They, in turn, would get yours. A mutual agreement. A mutual agreement where neither party truly knows what they're getting into. That's the first hurdle. You might think you want to be a famous musician, but do you understand the relentless touring, the lack of privacy, the pressure to constantly create?
True, but what if your current destiny feels stuck? What if you genuinely believe you were meant for something else, something more? This could be your cosmic mulligan, your chance to live the life you dreamed of, not the one you stumbled into. I get the allure, I really do. Especially if you're feeling unfulfilled, but consider the ripple effects. You swap destinies. Do your loved ones from your original life still know you? Or do they now know the new you? The one who suddenly say, a deep-sea explorer instead of a librarian? That's the mind-bending part. In a true destiny swap, I'd imagine you inherit their relationships. So, your old family wouldn't know you as you were. You'd step into a pre-existing network. You'd have a new spouse, new kids perhaps, new friends, new enemies. True. But what if your current destiny feels stuck? What if you genuinely believe you were meant for something else, something more? This could be your cosmic mulligan, your chance to live the life you dreamed of, not the one you stumbled into.